Hi, it's me. I have some new stuff and I have a little bit of old stuff, and we're just gonna put makeup on and chit chat. So first I have, this is the new Banana Bright face primer from Ole Henriksen. Ole Henriksen? I'm still not sure how I'm supposed to say his name. But anyways, I did get this from the brand, so thanks Ole, however I'm supposed to say your name. It says on the bottle also that you can wear this over makeup as a highlight. It says to wear it by itself. Oh wow. That is fragrant. Citrusy kinda. Wow, what was I saying? You can wear it by itself, under makeup, or on top of makeup as a highlight. And I'm very confused by that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna try that because I am confused. And I don't think it'll work. This smells like something. Oh God, what? Some kind of candy or something, I think. Oh, anyways, this is fragrant. For a foundation, this is not new, but it is new to my collection. I don't think I've never owned this before. I've only ever had samples of this. This is Sheer Glow from NARS. I need to get a pump for it because there's no pump. I'm gonna use a brush today instead of a sponge because my skin is actually hydrated. Don't need the sponge. All right, how am I gonna do this without making a complete disaster? Did I even say what it was? That's Sheer Glow. I have this shade Punjab. Yes, so much glow. Okay, foundation is on. For concealer, I have Smashbox. This is new. Smashbox did give this to me, so thank you, Smashbox. I got the shade, I picked this shade. I picked Light Neutral Olive because it was the only one that kind of seemed like it would go with me. I don't know. I'm so freakishly neutral that makeup is hard for me sometimes. Like look at how yellow I am. And I've just accepted that. So anyways, if I can get the thing out. So let's just see what happens. It smells like paint. I can smell it from here. I'm just gonna blend this in with my Micro Mini. I'm gonna use the Lancome, I just looked at it, Long Time No Shine setting powder, which I thought I used already, but I guess I have not. So there's that. I don't know why I thought I used it already, but I guess I didn't. Lancome also did give this to me, so thank you, Lancome. If you're new here, hi, I work at Sephora, which is why I get a lot of stuff from brands. Put my trash over there. But yeah, I'm just gonna set my face with this. So underneath my eyes, that concealer is really bright, but I don't know if it's just because this foundation is really yellow. I like it though, I'm not complaining. Or maybe it's just my light making it look brighter. Boop, 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 boop. For brows, I'm using the Diorshow Brow Styler. I have this in Universal Brown. Again, the brand did give this to me, so thank you, Dior. I haven't used this in a long time, so let's use it. Let's do it. And while I have you all here, while I'm doing my eyebrows, I have an announcement. Oh, and there is a hair in my spoolie. I have an announcement. Dean and I are going to London. I am so excited. We will be there for a week in April. So I'm gonna see about vlogging while I'm there, but we all know how bad I am at vlogging. So we'll see about that. But yeah, so we're going for a week in April. We leave on the 8th and then we'll get there the 9th actually, because we're flying overnight. But yeah, I am excited. I have never been, he has never been. We're gonna have a fun time. If you've ever been to London, or if you live in London, or if you visit London a lot, let me know what you like to do there. Because we found a lot of stuff like to do, and like he wants to go to Stonehenge one day and stuff. But let me know what you like to do. Or like things that we gotta make sure not to miss. I'm not too worried about doing like touristy stuff. Like, you know, Kensington Palace and the London Eye and blah blah blah, whatever. Like, yeah, I want to see those things, but I don't want to like go in and like do the tours and blah, blah, blah. I don't want to do all that. I will be happy just like walking by and being like, there it is. But yeah, let me know what you like to do there. Come here, get closer. Come close to me. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I am priming my eyes with my NARS Pro Prime, like always. And then I'm gonna use the last of the new Sephora collection palettes that I got. I had gotten a Vault. I don't know if you saw it when it was on the app. It was a Vault from Sephora collection. It had the 3 Pro palettes and 3 brushes. 2 brushes. How many brushes do I have here? 2 brushes. 2 brushes and the 3 palettes. So I bought that with some money I had for my birthday for myself. So this is the last of the palettes that I haven't used yet. The other 2 I used. So this one is the Smokey Jewels. Take it out of the box. So that's what that looks like. Some greens, some blues, purples. I don't know what to do. There's not really a color in here that's like speaking to me. This indigo looks really pretty. This one. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, let's do a blue smoky eye. Why not? I'm gonna open these new brushes too. The brushes that came in the vault were the number 15 small shadow and the number 19 tapered crease. This brush I have in my brush belt and I use all the time. This brush I think I have in my brush belt too, but I don't use it that much. But this brush I really like. So just chuck that in above my crease. I like blue looks, but I hate working with blue. Like I did a blue smoky eye on a client the other day, and like the look turned out really pretty, but blue is just such a pain in the ass to work with. And some blues work better than other blues, so then I'm like, what did I use? I used the blue palette from Hoola, the Sapphire Obsessions. I used that, and like one shade from the Rainbow palette from Violet Voss. But I was just like, help. The Hoola blues aren't that bad though. Okay, so I put that in there. Trying to get them even, like depth-wise. Okay, and then I'm gonna take, with my tapered crease brush, this one's not really blue though, this one's kind of green. Okay, I think I'm gonna deepen up the crease with Sapphire, this one, because this one, which is Capri, has like green to it, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna take Sapphire. And put that on my outer, like, third-ish area. And through the crease. I need to pick up more. I tapped into it very lightly because I wasn't sure what was going to happen. Okay, so now I know. Really pick it up. There we go, that's better. Okay, and then I'm going to touch into the black, which is Obsidian. I'm literally just going boop with the very tip of my brush because I just want to darken it a little bit. But I don't want to take away from the blue. Just a little teeny bit. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to take my small shadow. Wow, why did I forget the name of it? The number 15. And I'm going to go into Indigo and put that on my lid. These do have some kick up, but that doesn't bother me any. I'm just gonna put this all over. Ooh, that's so pretty. And this is dry. I don't like wetting my eyeshadows. I don't like how it feels on my eyelid. Okay, the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back into Sapphire that we put in like the crease in the outer corner. And I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line. Yep, give that a blend. I didn't pick up any more product. This is the brush I used to put the transition color in. So just like whatever's left on the brush, just to blend it out a little bit. For the inner corner, I'm going to use Aquamarine. Right in there. Yes, I love it. Okay, I'm going to clean off that brush. And then I'm going to take Alabaster, this one up here, to highlight my brow bone. I thought I stuck my hand in the black. I was going to be like, no! Right up under here, just to clean it up a little bit. Okay, I was gonna do eyeliner today, like I pulled out an eyeliner to use, like a liquid liner, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to take away from this blue now. So instead, I'm just going to move along. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, and apply mascara. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. Both of these I got from the brand. So thanks, Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs. I'm sorry. So I'm going to put these on and then I will be back. So here are the eyes done. I absolutely love this. This came out so nice. So yeah, let's finish off the face. I'm gonna contour with Kevyn Aucoin. Just give myself some cheekbones. Wee cheekbones. For bronzer, you're not gonna believe me, I have Hoola from Benefit. If you're new here, hi, I literally only use Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced. So Benefit gave me this. Thanks, Benefit. So let's see what happens. I am honestly not sure if I've ever used this before, if I've ever used Hoola before. So we'll see how this goes. If I have used it before, it's been a long, long time, so I don't remember using it. Alrighty. I think I went in too hard. Oh, SpaghettiOs. I am very bronzy. Oh no. Okay, just keep blending. Buff that in with my powder brush a little bit. Okay, well, that was extreme. It's also, there's so much powder in here, like kick up. Okay, well, I'll have to try that more and see what happens. I meant to put this on before I started my makeup, but I forgot about it. This is from Dior. It's like a hyaluronic lip plumper, so it's supposed to plump, but also it has hyaluronic acid, so it's supposed to be like a lip treatment too. We'll just leave this on while I finish up my face and stuff. Okay, this is MAC Warm Soul in the old packaging, so this is old Warm Soul, because I'm pretty sure new Warm Soul is a different color, and I don't like that. Just pop a little bit of this on. Okie dokie. Beautiful. To highlight, I have this that I haven't used in a while. This is from Lancome. This is the Click and Glow Highlighting Skin Fluid. This one is in number 1, so it's the more like goldy one. The other, what other ones do I have? I have a more bronzy one and a more pinky one. No, we'll do this one. This one I bought because I know one of them, or maybe 2 of them, I got from the brand, but this one I bought myself. So I'm just gonna do this with my finger. And this is a liquid, but I find that it goes over like powder very well. Oh yes, look at that. It's like wet skin. I love it. Some down my nose. And Cupid's bow. Okay, I have quite a few lips because I didn't know what I was gonna do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do bold on bold because why not? I'm just gonna leave that Dior stuff on. This is from Laura Mercier and it is the color Amethyst. It doesn't say what lip line this is from. Like what lipstick line. Anyways, I'm just gonna throw this on. It looks so shiny. I think it might be because I have the Dior thing underneath it, but I really like it. So here is the finished look. Lots of new stuff. I'm really liking this look. Wow. I love it. But yeah, so that was that. I am enjoying this so much. Wow. I'm trying to play with more colors because I am scared of them and I shouldn't be. So I'm trying to play with more colors. So if there's a color specifically that you want to see, let me know and I will play with it. But this is the blue. Wow, I can't stop looking at myself. I love it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon with another video. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'll see you soon. Bye.